Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you why is BetMGM not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, what you can do is simply head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar simply type in BetMGM, and then once the app loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so once updating, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over and open up your settings. Once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside the iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find the BetMGM app and then simply tap on that. Now once you're inside, you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process has been completed, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.